In an operations position, you know that inventory tracking can be kind of difficult. Now, I'm an operations manager for a vacation rental company, and housekeepers, are in charge of bringing toilet papers, paper towels, dish tabs, and stuff to our Airbnbs and supplying those basic amenities. Now, I wanted a way to keep track in real time whenever an employee was to sign out certain items like that. So we do have a dashboard. We need a starting amount, so I just defaulted it to 100. And then we have a current amount. It's going to use formulas to basically subtract from the starting amount from the amounts that will be inputted over here in the form section. So all they have to do is fill out this Google form. You can see it has the specific amenities listed. And once they fill out the numbers that they've taken, they hit submit. This will actually update in real time, as you can see here, the items that were removed. The dashboard is now going to subtract those numbers from our starting amount and give us a new balance. So we can see that this has changed. Let's say, though, I see that inventory is getting low, so I want to place a new order. So I'll put in a date, and then I'll order, let's say, 1,000 toilet papers, 500 soap bars, 200 sponges, let's say 300 paper towels, and then 550 dish tabs. You can see how this updates our current amount in real time, also updates this nice chart that we have here. So if you like it, leave a thumbs up on the video, and feel free to use this.